Making stock is so cheap compared to buying a good quality one at the store, and the flavors do not even compare. You can use it for soups, stews, sauces, and rice. The list goes on and on, but it's essential when developing flavors. I'd say it's up there in the list with salt and pepper. All right, let's make chicken stock. We're gonna start off with 3 pounds of chicken bones. I'm working with backbones, but you can use rib cages, wings, feet, and even the neck. And we are gonna roast these because that's gonna give us a deeper flavor and a beautiful golden brown color. Start by drizzling with oil both sides of the raw bones, then add a generous amount of salt and ground black pepper. Place them in a 425-degree oven and bake them for about 45 minutes or until you get this beautiful golden brown color. Now, as you can see, we've rendered some fat, which is wonderful. Just allow it to cool down, store it, and use it for other dishes. Wow, today I'm feeling like a saving money guru. Stock is made with herbs, veggies, a few spices. Mirepoix is a must, and it's a combination of 2-part onion, 1 part carrot, and 1 part celery. I'm also going to be throwing in there a few green onions. Stem and everything, which brings me to the carrots. You don't even have to peel them, or as a matter of fact, you don't have to cut anything in a particular way. It can just be roughly cut into large pieces. We're also gonna need a whole head of garlic, which I sliced that end off to expose all of those garlic cloves, tomatoes, and for the herbs, cilantro, rosemary, oregano, and thyme, 3 bay leaves, 5 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of whole allspice, and 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. Finally, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which is going to help us break down the collagen in the bones, giving us a richer end result. Stock is typically made in a large pot. You just add all of the ingredients in there together with the water, then cook it on a gentle simmer for about 4 to 6 hours. And periodically, you do have to remove some of that scum that's going to rise to the top. But I have an Instant Pot, and that's what we're using. Just add all of those bones in there, the veggies, herbs, and spices. And the apple cider vinegar. Pour in the water until it reaches the max line. I'm doing 12 cups in an 8-quart Instant Pot. Cover, secure the lid, and cook on high pressure for 1 hour with a 10-minute natural pressure release. Just release that remaining pressure, uncover, and look at the wonderful stock we created. I'm just gonna remove most of those veggies, herbs, spices, and bones. Well, do as many as you can anyway. And try to press on them, that way you get most of those juices out. Time to strain that broth into a separate container. And look at that gorgeous color. Store it in airtight containers. You can refrigerate it for 3 to 4 days or freeze it up to 2 months. Lastly, I'm gonna share the recipe for making caldo de pollo right here or down in the description area so you can take a look at it. I used this exact recipe and it is so good. So I'll leave you with that, and until the next one.